welcome you all for my Python tutorials. So anything before you code or anything to start with, so what do we require? We require to have all the tools, right? So what we are going to do this class, we are going to get all those tools installed in our system. So the very first thing I want everybody to install is Python itself. So just follow the steps and just repeat what I'm doing. So open to simple download Python, you can just go to the Google and write Python download, and the very first link you will see is from the python.org. Just go to that link, and as you can see here, it's giving you all the options to download, and the latest version which is going on right now is 3.9.4. if you are using Windows like I'm using, so you can just directly download this one. If you are using any other system like Linux or Mac, then you can select different versions of Python for Linux and Mac. So okay, so if you're using Windows, just go ahead and start downloading. So okay, so as you can see, it's downloaded. Click here to install. I have already installed, but I'll just show you how it looks, right? So okay, so you see here I'm getting the different option, but you will get option to install. So click on install, guys, and it will get installed. Follow the steps on the screen, it will get installed. Okay, so yes, okay, and second thing is what you need is Miniconda. So to download Miniconda, just go to Google, write Miniconda, and yeah, the first option that you see, conda.io. So go there. Okay, and you can see it's giving you Windows installers, and the versions are there below. So select whichever version you're going to use. So if you have a 64-bit system, use 64, or if you have 32, just go with the 32. And yeah, for Mac and Linux installers are also there. So as per your system requirement, just go ahead and download it. Okay, so once you have this downloaded, right, just install like any other software. Just install it, follow the instructions on the UI, and you'll be able to install this Miniconda. Okay, now once the Miniconda is installed in your system, just open it. Just search Miniconda, right, and then open it. So once you open this one, this will give you a prompt like your command prompt. Okay, now we have a Miniconda prompt and Python installed in our system. So third thing what we require is a Jupyter notebook or Jupyterlab in your system, right? So to install that, just again we will again Google Jupyter download. Okay, let's go to the first link that you get in Google. Okay, so okay, what we'll do, we'll not download, we'll just click on install Jupyter, and we can get the commands. We can just get a conda commands. So just write install Jupyter in Google, and this is what you are going to see, the first link. Okay, so now you can see here you can see list of commands to install Jupyterlab in your system. So take this pip install Jupyterlab command here, guys. Okay, take this one. You can this will also do the work, but take the pip install Jupyterlab. This is faster than the conda install. So take this command, go to your Miniconda, paste it, and run this. Okay, I just pasted and click enter, so it will run. So if you see it's saying the requirement already satisfied. You already have it, guys. That's why I'm getting this message. For your systems, right, it will install. It takes 10 to 15 seconds and it will install. So once the installation is completed, you're getting again the command line you're getting. So now to run Jupyterlab, there is another command just after the install with pip, right? So just take the command, take this command, copy it, go to the prompt, paste it, and what this will do, this will create a Jupyterlab session for us. Okay, so it is creating. Okay, now you can see here, right, this is opening a session. Okay, so Jupyterlab is getting set up for our first time use, guys. Just do it what I did, right? Just follow the same thing, you'll be able to your Jupyterlab. Okay, so now we have everything set up, ready, and already latest version of Python and everything is opening. It's open here, right? So let me close this one. I already had this open, right? So when you open for the first time, this is what you will see. You will see that you have a notebook option, console, and other options are there. So for now, we have to work only on the notebook. Just go with the Python 3 notebook and you will see this command line. This file is automatically created, this unnamed, untitled file, right? So it's already created. Okay. So this is it, guys. Just installation is ready. In the next class, we will start coding. We'll create our basic Python programs and everything. Okay, so this is it for today.